Okay, here the variety game show runs for 5 days a week over a 60 period, 60 weeks. Find the that the mean number of shows per week for which the grand prize is won in the second round is more than 0.4. Okay. Find the mean number of shows per week for which the grand prize is more than 0.4. Confusing. Now, first of all, there are a lot of things going on over a period of 60 weeks. So this one, when you say mean number, the first thing you must think about is our favorite CLT, average number. Okay. And then the grand prize is won in the second round is more than the second round. Grand prize is won in the second round is probability of this one is 1 over 15, right? Which is given. So label this event here. This event let this event let it be W lah, win second round. So probability of winning second round is 0.44. Okay, so now we want to show probably that the mean number of shows per week for which the grand prize is won in the second round is more than 0.4. We're gonna run this, So it's this one here. You have 60 weeks period. Each week you have 5 days a week. The game show. Okay. So essentially, n will be what? 60 times 5, which is 300. You don't care about the weeks or what lah. Essentially, you have 300 game shows. Okay, 300 game shows. Then essentially, right, we are talking about you're talking about the mean number of shows per week. You want to find the probability of mean number of shows per week. Number of shows per week is the second one is more than 0.4. So sorry, I don't need this one because now every 1 week, right? This is 1 week, right? Let's say week, this is a binomial distribution of 5. Every one is 1 over 15, right? Get it? This is every week, 1 week. So you have 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, all the way to 60 weeks. This is binomial, Every one day, 1 out of 15, 15. Now this I'm considering the weeks, not the total number of games. Initially, I was considering the total number of games is because I didn't read this question properly. They say probability of the mean number of shows per week. So I'm talking about per week now. Okay, every 1 week. So I want if W every 1 week got 5 shows, and every 1 show you have 1 contestant winning in the second round is 1 over 15. What I want is the probability of mean number of shows per week, means mean number of shows per week. This will refer to bar W. Mean number per week. Is that okay? Mean number per week. So week 1, basically mean number a week. Mean number of shows per week would then be bar W, which is week 1 plus week W all the way to week 60 over 60. Okay, so this is the mean number. So I take week 1, week 2, week 3. So I want this, the required probability is more than 0.4. Yeah, so from here, since this one is CLT already, so since n equals to 60 is large, okay, by central limit theorem, bar W will just be normal distributed of EW variance W over 60. EW will be, we know EW is just, expected W is 5 times 1 over 15. This is 1/3. Then after that, variance of W, 5 times 1 over 15, 14 over 15. CLT, so this is 14 over 45. So in other words, what we're looking at is bar W bar W is normally distributed of 1/3, 14 over 45, approximately, by CLT. Sorry, this is divided by 60 because it's variance W over 60. I forgot to divide by 60 here. This will give us 0.177. Okay. There you go. Just visualize this. You run for 60 weeks. Every 1 week is binomial. Okay, then the average of this will just be 60 weeks, right? Like I said just now I accidentally, because they want the mean of every week, so I'm looking at W1, W2, W3, all the way down to 60. I just average every week's results out. I want every week's result. I don't want this. Okay, just take note of that. So initially I thought of this because I didn't read the question properly. So I want the average of every week. You list week 1, week 2, week 3. Every 1 week is a binomial. Then you can get the mean number using the central limit theorem. Okay.